Alright, so I have a lot of vacuums, and I have reviewed a few vacuums in the past, not on this channel. Either way, I was at Walmart today and found this. It is a Ionvac, and it is a stick vacuum, $23, and it claims to have 2 times stronger suction. Whatever that means. Stronger than what? Either way, it's a 3-in-1 design here. It's gotten a dust buster, it's gotten a dust buster with a stick, and it's gotten a dust buster with a... what is that called again? I forgot. Yeah, you know what it is, the crevice tool. Either way, it claims to be 43 inches tall, as you can see, and it has a HEPA filter, which is pretty neat. It's gotten... whatever that means. It's gotten a 20-foot cord, and it's lightweight, which it in fact is lightweight. This is what the inside of the box looks like. There is not really much to it. Let me just take everything out of its packaging real quick. Alright, here is everything all laid out on the bed here. We've gotten the vacuum here. It's gotten a filter inside here and a filter here. Hopefully this will be better than the vacuum I'm replacing it with, which is the Bissell 3-in-1. The reason why I'm replacing the Bissell 3-in-1 is because it loses suction nearly immediately and it has a pretty bad filter. It sometimes will blow out visible dust into the room. And to add to that, again, it clogs up super fast. So hopefully this, which has a different filter, shouldn't clog up as easy. They're both for sale at Walmart still, by the way. The handle goes together really easily. There's a little button right here, and basically you just need to push the button in and push the handle down, which is hard to do while holding a camera, but just about something like there. There we go. That handle is now connected. To install the handle onto the dust buster, you just lift up on this at the top of the dust buster here, which is apparently on relatively tightly, but once you get it popped up, then you can get the handle and, well, basically just jam it into the hole here, and you'll know when it's pushed down all the way, and then you can go over and close this, which I need to use 2 hands for, I think. Alright, when it's together, it should look like this. No big crack in here. The camera's not focusing. No big crack or anything like that. And you just push this in to close it. Hopefully that makes sense. I know the camera's not focusing. Alright, and to install the crevice tool, you just push it in. As simple as that. The Bissell doesn't have one, and also you can just install the floor piece. It's the exact same, which is hard to do one-handed, but you just push it in. I said you just push it in like so. And the bottom floor piece looks like this. There's not really much to it. There's no brush, which is actually perfectly fine for hard floors. Brushes actually are sometimes actually not very good for hard floors. Either way, it is together. I need to add, if you want to just use it as a normal vacuum in handheld, you can use it without the handle on, of course. You don't need the handle on for it to work. Either way, let's go over and turn it on and see how loud it is. It is relatively loud. It's louder than the Eureka canister, which I normally use around the house. Let's see how strong the suction is on the bottom. That should have no problem picking up nearly any type of stuff you could find on the floor. So now I'm going to go vacuum the house up and see how it handles vacuuming the house. Yeah, I'll let you know if it clogs up. I need to add, this vacuum goes over and stands by itself. Either way, it looks like it has a cyclone action inside of here, which hopefully will prevent the filter from being clogged. Again, I'll let you know in a bit once I do some more vacuuming. Alrighty, I've been using it for a little while now, and there is quite a bit of stuff in here, as you can see. And let's see how it works. The cyclone thing is cycloning, and not much is getting into the filter, which is actually a good thing. You don't want stuff to go in the filter if you can help it, because that clogs the vacuum up, and you don't really need a clogged vacuum. Okay, I take that back. There is actually quite a bit of stuff in the filter. Yeah. But it's still definitely holding up a lot better than the Bissell. That is for sure. I'll use maybe a comb or a brush to get all this out. That's what I'm trying to say. Either way, yeah, this is a nice little vacuum. So yeah, if you need a vacuum, I recommend trying it out. Either way, thanks for watching, and have a good day.